In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. What you need to do is go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turns gray. That means that auto rotation is disabled. Trust me, I tested it. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!